Welcome to the Ottawa University Sample Blackboard course. The purpose of this course is to familiarize students with the online experience at Ottawa University. Online classes are accessed two ways here. First, through the My Ottawa portal by clicking on the Blackboard link. If you're logged into My Ottawa when you do this, you'll be automatically logged into Blackboard. The second method is to access blackboard.ottawa.edu directly. Both methods use the same credentials as your email. After logging into Blackboard, courses may be accessed through the My Courses module on the left-hand side of the browser. Click on the title of the course to access it. Once inside the course, you'll be brought to the Announcements area. Here, your instructor will post announcements relevant to the course as the term progresses. Next, we have Policies. Please review the Policies area of your courses. This area contains information you will need throughout your career at Ottawa University. This includes information on plagiarism, email communications, coursework, and other information you will need to know as a student. Next, we have the syllabus. Syllabi at Ottawa University are divided into three parts: the course description and objectives, the activities and assignments, and university and course policies. Information on the book you will need and the assignments you'll need to complete in the course is contained here. Together, these three items compose your course syllabus. Please review the syllabus in detail. Next, we have weekly materials. The weekly course folders contain the materials you will cover week over week. They contain assignments, tests, informational resources, and other material relevant to your course. Assignments are submitted through dedicated links in the weekly materials area. These areas could look like this right here. It could look like an assignments area, or it could have numbered weeks. To submit an assignment, click on the link. To submit your assignment, you have two options. You can click on Write Submission to type out your assignment, or you can upload a file by clicking and dragging the file into this box here, or using one of these buttons to upload the file. We recommend building your assignments in another application like Word or Excel, depending on the requirements of your assignment, and then uploading that file here. Please make sure to click Submit when you're done with your submission. Clicking Save Draft will not alert the instructor that you have submitted your assignment. After assignments, let's talk about discussions. Discussions are an asynchronous text-based discussion tool. Online courses require weekly discussion participation. The discussions area is accessed through the discussions link in the course menu or through a link in the weekly materials. Click on the appropriate week, then review the discussion prompt. Respond to the prompt by replying to it inside of the thread. Next, we have the resource room. The resource room contains resources that could be useful to both students and instructors. There are self-help resources, as well as directions on how to seek technical support. Additionally, resources on Blackboard Collaborate are provided here. Blackboard Collaborate is a virtual classroom or conferencing system built into Blackboard Learn. Your instructor may use it to schedule office hours, class sessions, meetings, and tutorials with students. It is entirely web-based, so you will not need to install anything on your computer. Next, we should look at the My Grades area. The My Grades area displays the grading status of your graded work. You can see assignments that are submitted, graded, etc. You can click on the link corresponding to assignment to review your submission. Next, we have the My Tools area. The My Tools area is a shortcut to the various tools available to students in an online course at Ottawa University. There are many options here, and not all of them will be used by your instructor. One that might be most useful to you is the NetTutor option. This tool may be used by students to receive general feedback on their assignment submission. Feedback is limited, but for short submissions, or of 1 to 3 pages, the feedback can be useful for finding typographical errors or APA style corrections. Return to your course by clicking the window on the top left corner. The next tool you might find useful is the Send Email tool. The Send Email tool can be used to contact your instructor directly. It works similarly to email, but we recommend using your student email account directly. The Send Email feature does not keep any kind of record for later reference for either sending or receiving email. At the end of your course, you will need to submit a course evaluation. Click the Course Evaluations link at the bottom of the course menu to complete the evaluation. One more quick note about assignments. Any file you submit for an assignment at Ottawa University must be less than 100 megabytes. We have a hard ceiling on that. Next, we have the Global Navigation menu. This menu can be found at the top right-hand corner of the Blackboard interface. Here, you can review notification settings, your personal information, and other items. With regard to Blackboard's browser compatibility, currently Firefox, Chrome, Edge, and Safari are all supported for use with Blackboard. There may be some hiccups between one browser or another, but you should be prepared to use multiple browsers for your Blackboard experience. Next, please make sure you review the best practices for test taking. This resource down here. Taking tests can be difficult. For example, we advise that all users make sure they take their tests from a wired connection as opposed to being on wireless. Next, we have the Ottawa Online Bookstore. The OU Bookstore will help you obtain textbooks if an e-text is not deployed in your course. The bookstore may be accessed on the web at ottawa.verbacompare.com. Finally, please take a look at the IDAT website. It can be reached at idat.ottawa.edu. This website contains resources that may be helpful to you in your experience taking an online course at Ottawa University. Click the 3 bars at the top, then the Resources option, and a number of titles will display. These are videos or PDFs. They are basically instructional materials that can explain to you how to do a variety of things in Blackboard. They are focused on students or just generally useful or focused on instructors. That is it for your Blackboard orientation. If you have technical issues, please do not hesitate to email us at ouhelp@ottawa.edu. You may also open tickets through the OU Help portion of your My Ottawa portal. Welcome to Ottawa University and best of luck on your journey.